to get others involved, yeah. Yeah, I want to get others involved. Dila repa itanda this game now. No shape or form, I was born. No, I was created. No man, I was invented. Memory sometimes faded. I was before, the spiritual realm had a war, a Genesis chamber like Krypton, elemented earth realm. I knew them before they were merely atoms. After they developed to element ruled by young gods, me and them walk alike, so the balance is restored. Now I manipulate beings to kill and sell their soul for a meal. Created the ones who knew wealth before they killed. Genocidal Noah was God's will, but inflicted the same mind of Noah to fuck his own sibling. Evolution is key. These are the secrets more than the Masonic teachings. I'm dual, both positive and negative, they title me a man demon. Since they only know positivity, darkness and light is only one me. I devour sorcerers, the essence of all vampires. Immortality was genocide. I reincarnated from new empire, yet I stand still. 7 rings from hell, on the 8th I dwell. Make that twice as nice as 16 from hell. You feeling me? You made a pact to the demon. You praising me? That's a pact to the demon. Not even exorcists with Jesus' tears. Weaponries wanna mess with this demon. Cold and hot is one, aligned with genetics. 2 cerebral cortex, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 legs to balance me. I'm both God and demon, I'm the pet, you're just like me. The word demon comes from the man. Amongst God, the supreme being. If Mcximum high level is me, then human exists beneath me. My pen be, most penetrate I believe. Most penmen I ship, most guided on shallow seas. Like stars of Orion pyramids. By getting high, you worship me. So no white pen with me. Ancient forces of duality. I fuel righteous cruelty. We see bank hands in his back speakers. In these scriptures paint evil pictures. Supernatural witches on devil attention seeker to rewrite biblical scriptures for the entire universe to pack with the ancient demon in form of a dark-sided rapper and devour sorcerers. The essence of all vampire. Immortality was genocide. I've reincarnated from new empire, yet I stand still. 7 rings from hell, on the 8th I dwell. Make that twice as nice as 16s from hell. You feeling me? You made a pact with the demon. Praising me? That's a pact with the demon. Not even exorcists with Jesus' tears. Weaponries wanna mess with his demon. Yeah.